Along Smythe Road in Ottawa, a red X is sprayed on the trunks of ash trees that are dying. The ash trees in the city are being uprooted because of the emerald ash borer, or EAB, an exotic beetle native to Asia. As an adult, the EAB is harmless. As larvae, they are deadly. The adult emerald ash borer feeds on the leaves of ash trees and lays their eggs inside the tree. When they hatch, the larva eats the inner bark of the tree, strangling it so water and nutrients from the roots in the ground cannot be sent throughout. This process is known as girdling. Trees that have been girdled will lose their leaves after 1 year and will die after 2 to 3 years. The emerald ash borer is thought to have arrived in North America in the 1990s, most likely in a wooden shipping container from eastern Russia, northern China, Japan, or Korea, where the beetle is native. First found in Windsor, Ontario, and the state of Michigan, the EAB has spread through southeast Ontario and Quebec, killing millions of ash trees. Firewood transport is thought to have led to the spread of the beetle in North America. The spread of the EAB has been so pervasive, municipalities have been forced to react. In 2008, Ottawa budgeted $2 million to battle the beetle. In 2009, the city added $500,000 to the budget, and on November 2, 2011, the city received a federal grant of roughly $12,500 that the city matched with an additional $15,000. According to David Barkley, city manager of Forestry Services, the city still expects to lose thousands of ash trees. The only way to combat the EAB is with triazine, an organic insecticide that is injected into the inner bark. The insecticide spreads through the tree and kills the larva when eaten. The insecticide, owned by the Canadian Forest Service, is expensive. It costs between $100 and $300 per tree, depending on size. The treatment lasts for 2 seasons. David Barkley hopes science can catch up with the bug.
There was very limited amounts of research done on this insect in its native land. Scientists typically don't want to be introducing something unless it's been proven that it's not going to have a negative impact on something else. We're still hoping we got about 10 years before we see major change in our forest cover. We're hoping that we're seeing it now in pockets, that we can actually help influence all those other neighborhoods before the insect starts to change their street.